In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a playlist on YouTube so we can organize our videos and make them easier to watch and share. Playlists are a great way to group related content and keep our channel organized. On our YouTube dashboard, all we have to do is click the profile logo in the upper right corner. Once we have done that, we just need to go to YouTube Studio. In the upper right corner of YouTube Studio, we will see the Create button, and we will see the option for a new playlist. Now, we will name our playlist, add a description, and then add music. Once we are done, we just have to click Create. And that is how we create a playlist on YouTube in just a few simple steps. Now our content is neatly organized and easy for viewers to enjoy.